Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale profits with Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale profits with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email, name, and password to create your account. Next, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, set up your business details under the Settings tab. Provide information about your business type, address, and bank account for payouts. Integrate Stripe with your website or application using the documentation provided. Choose a programming language or platform that fits your tech stack. Follow the integration guides carefully to enable payment processing. Once integrated, test the payment flow to ensure everything works smoothly. Now, implement additional features like subscriptions or one-time payments. Explore Stripe's API for advanced customizations tailored to your business needs. Utilize Stripe's robust analytics to monitor transaction data and user behavior. Focus on enhancing customer experience with streamlined checkout processes. Consider using Stripe's marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Evaluate your pricing strategy to ensure it aligns with your value proposition. Periodically assess your profit margins and adjust your strategies as needed. Take advantage of Stripe's fraud detection tools to secure transactions. Stay updated with Stripe's new features and enhancements to maximize utility. Engage with the Stripe community for tips and best practices. Monitor your growth and adapt your approaches based on performance metrics. By following these steps, you can effectively scale profits using Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.